This is the FFR Trading Market Minute, and again, this is a daily candlestick chart of the SPY, the ETF for the S&P 500. We've been tracking this week to week for months now, and what I said last week is on this day here, we had the CPI report that came out. It was hotter than expected, and that kind of threw a wrench. So here's the all-time high here. We weren't able to get through that all-time high or make a new all-time high there. Once that report came out, I said that would probably put the whole new highs on pause, and we should start to consolidate here until the market can kind of figure out what its next move is, get more data and so forth. So that is in fact what we've seen here over the last week now. It is currently Wednesday. The market is still open. We had a gap down this morning, and the market has pretty much rallied off of those lows from this morning. But I don't expect that they'll fill the gap all the way back to yesterday's close. We're not oversold here. We weren't able to get into the overbought territory either, and that tells me probably more consolidation here. The next support will be down here, just a test of the prior swing low here. Below that, this is kind of like I said, the area where we've seen more of the bigger buyers that stepped in the last time. And then on the upside, of course, the all-time high. So we'll see. I believe we'll still consolidate here until the market gets some more information. If that CPI report last week was a fluke and things kind of go back to the progression that we had, where we were seeing inflation abate, then we should be in pretty good shape to test those all-time highs. But if we start seeing more reports where they're reversing that, and that pattern may change, and we may start testing some of these supports here. All right, so that's going to be something to watch here as we move forward. That's going to be kind of a big deal. Obviously, everything kind of hinges on those interest rates coming down or continue to move higher. Economic data set to be released next week. We're going to get the global manufacturing PMI, Thursday's initial jobless claims, durable goods, and GDP. We'll wrap it up on Friday with core personal consumption expenditures and pending home sales. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.